everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Rachel and I'm a fashion seller over on Poshmark. Today's video is going to be something a little bit different. So I was contacted by a company called FASHOM. So it's a lot like fashion, but there's an M at the end. But it's spelled FASHOM, and they are a subscription service very similar to stitchfix. So this is the first time I've ever done a subscription service like this. But anyway, they contacted me over on my YouTube and asked me to do kind of an unboxing and review of the company. So it isn't sponsored. They are giving me a discount on the items that I decide to keep in the box. So anyway, I wanted to kind of talk to you about the company and how it works. So I am going to upload over myself and talk about the website and how it works, and then I'm going to show you what I got in my box, and then I'm actually going to do a little try on for you guys to see how it looks on me. So it is really cool how this isn't a mystery box. So you do get a stylist who curates these items for you, and then you actually get to pick from a list the items that you think you would like. So it's not a mystery, you know what you're getting ahead of time, which I really kind of like, especially when I'm paying, $25 per item. So each item I think ranges between like $25 and $55. I could be wrong. I'm hoping to maybe pull it up on the website, but something like that. At the very beginning, you fill out like a quiz, a questionnaire about yourself. If you like more like classy items, more trendy, colors that you like, colors you don't like. I think it even asks your hair and how you look as far as like your hair color and things like that. So they know what colors would look great on your skin tone or with your hair. Of course, they're going to ask your size. They are going to ask for measurements. So make sure you know kind of your measurements as well. Okay, so here's the website. This is how it looks. So you have the Get Started button there. That is where you go through and sign up and you enter in all of your information. They were really quick to curate my my items and really quick to send it. So first you fill out your style and profile, submit styling request, tell us about your style, size, and price preference, and then submit your request to be styled. You'll hear back from us within 2 to 3 business days. Next, you review the select items and pick out what ships, which is really awesome. So they're not just sending you a bunch of stuff you wouldn't actually like. Your stylist will send you items to review. You pick 5 items to be shipped to your doorstep. It's free shipping and free returns, no subscription required. Keep what you love and send back the rest. Try on your hand-selected items and keep what you love. We send you a prepaid envelope for easy returns. Only pay for what you keep. So it talks about how long it will take to get my box. It says once you've filled out your style profile, your stylist will get back to you with curated looks to review within 2 to 3 business days. And it says we try extremely hard to keep it within the 2 to 3 business day window. Sometimes we need a little extra time. It says that they're a small team, and so they get a lot of requests, etc. After you have selected items to be shipped to you, you typically receive your box within 10 to 12 days. So this is really awesome. It says, does FASHOM support any nonprofits or charities? Yes, for every box sold, we donate $1 to Second Chance Rescue New York City. This is a new invitation for us, and as 100% cruelty-free startup, we can't think of a better way to give back. I think that's really awesome that they do that. So here's where the styling fee. So it says if you signed up after April 13th, you have 1 free styling session to try at it's risk-free. So what that means is after the free styling session, you are going to pay a $15 styling fee, and that's just paying for your stylist to curate the items for you. So full disclosure, you do have to pay for that. So this one says, I got my fashion box. Do I get any discounts? Yes, of course. We know women like to bargain, so we've taken care of that. We'll make sure to give you the best quality of products at good price. You receive 25% off if you keep 3 pieces, and then you discount 30% off for keeping all 5 of the items. So the more you keep out of the box, the more discount you're going to get on top of it. And so my box was right at $150 if I were to keep everything. So what you do is you fill out the profile, and you do go ahead and add in a way to pay. And so it just tells you if you keep all the 5 items what your price will be. So when you get it in the mail, you decide what you want to keep, and then what you send back, they adjust the price that you are being charged. So I probably am not going to keep all the items in there, but honestly, $150 for 5 items really isn't that expensive, especially when they've given you that 30% off. I obviously am a bargain shopper, I'm a reseller, but that's one thing I don't do is I don't purchase things for myself. I always purchase it for my children, for my husband, or for my company. So being able to get items that were picked out specifically for you, knowing that someone took the time to decide what would look nice on you, it's in your size, it's delivered to your front door, you know, that in itself is awesome. So anyway, I think it's a great company. I definitely want to know your all's thoughts, but I did go ahead and open it, so I'm going to show you what was in there now, and I think that the quality is great, so I don't know. I'm just going to show you what was in there. So it comes in a box. This is the box. It is small because there's only 5 items in there. But it comes with a little note and it says, "Hello, beautiful." So that's starting off pretty good, right? So inside it has your invoice of the item. So I can actually tell you how much the items retail for as I show them to you. So yeah, it has... The total price would have been $220, but if I keep all 5 items, I get 30% off, brings it down to $154 for 5 items. So really not that bad. So actually it tells you what you do next. I'm going to read this to you right quick. It says, "Try before you buy, purchase your favorites. We encourage you to try every item your stylist has picked for you. To complete your order, go to the My Style tab on the FASHOM app." So they actually have an app. Or FASHOM.com and select the items to keep and which to send back. Hit checkout to complete your order. So at this point, I haven't paid for anything in the box yet. So they have my information, but they have not charged my card yet. They're only going to charge what I keep. Number 2, it says, "Not quite the fit. Enjoy free returns or exchanges. Using our prepaid mailer, return any items you do not want to keep. Shipping is always free both ways. If you need to exchange, it has an email address and they will give you the right size." So that's awesome. If you get something and it's just too big and you're like, "I really love it," then they'll just send you the different size. Number 3, save big on spending while you save rescue dogs. You have 3 days to decide which items to keep or return. Remember, if you buy 3 or 4 items, you'll receive 25% off. Even better, if you purchase all 5 items, you'll receive 30% off. For each FASHOM box sent, we'll donate $1 to Second Chance Rescue New York City Dogs. That's cool. So yeah. Really great information. I didn't realize you only have 3 to 4 days to decide if you're going to keep it. I assume business days, so hopefully the weekend didn't count, but I just got this box yesterday, so I have plenty of time. But just to make sure you guys know, here is the bag. So this is for the returns here, and it's already like a prepaid label, so that's nice. Alright, so I'm going to show you the items I got, and I'm going to tell you what I think about each of the items, and I'm going to tell you how much they retail for. So, getting a little personal, obviously you're going to find out what my size is. So these are a size 10. Now, I wear a size 10, but these are high-waisted, but they look really small. So I'm really hoping that I can fit in these, but they are extremely stretchy. But these are really, really cute, so they're just kind of a classic pair of denim, and the brand is called Just USA. The color is indigo, high-rise skinny. So designed in LA. So this is cool, but they are really stretchy, so I could probably fit in them. I just hope that they're, you know, going to be comfortable. I have never purchased high-rise denim, so I'm excited to try these. Very dark wash, has the skinny leg, very stretchy. They seem very comfortable for sure. Yeah, very, very stretchy, so I think I could probably fit in those. We'll see. Those retail for $48. That's actually really not too bad for a pair of jeans, in my opinion. New, $48. Alright, so next we have this. So this top reminded me a lot of LuLaRoe. It has it's like, is it the Randy, I think? I could be completely wrong, but the Randy has kind of the color and then the pattern here on the sleeves, and they are like 3/4 sleeve paisley print. Extremely soft. They feel a lot like LuLaRoe as well. And the brand is Chris and Carol. So this seems kind of big, so it probably is going to be a bit oversized, but that's okay. Very, very soft, and it retails for $35. So that's not so bad. That's probably about the same price of a LuLaRoe as well. I didn't show you the bottom. It's just kind of a basic Kind of reminds you of like a baseball tee, but it does seem a little bit longer, which I like. Next is probably my favorite item. This reminds me of fall, and it's just kind of my style. So it is a blouse, and I just noticed it's paisley print as well. But beautiful short sleeve blouse. Here's the length. It's almost tunic length. It is longer, but look at the back. So the back kind of has this crisscross pattern that I really, really like. So I'm really excited to try this on. I think it will look great with those denim jeans. And the brand is B-Stage. B-Stage. And it's very, very soft, like the other top. Like very, okay, here's the material tag. Let me see what it says. 95% rayon, 5% spandex. So it's not anything special, but just the way it's made, it's very, very, very soft. So excited to try that on. So for my try on, I'll probably put those on with the jeans because I think that would look really great. Alrighty, so next is a dress. Now this is going to be a little bit out of my comfort zone because I do love floral, but this is pretty bright. This is, you know, a lot going on. It is a dress, like I said. It's short sleeved. It has an elastic waist here. It does have pockets, so that's great. It has pockets, I would say about knee length. So I was thinking this would be really cute with like a denim jacket and some like Keds or some sandals for the summertime, but you could also wear it in the fall and the winter because the background color is, I think it's navy. It's hard to tell under these lights. It's either black or navy. But okay, I forgot to show you. My favorite part is the bottom. It comes up on the sides and it's a little longer in the centers. Hopefully when I try on, you can kind of see that. So this retails for, oh, it is navy. Retailed for $42. I think that's pretty good price for a dress. All right, last but not least is this dress. Now, I go back and forth about this. This kind of reminds me more of a vacation dress, not really an everyday dress. So I already have some vacation dresses. I don't know that I'm going to keep this, but it's really, really cute. It has kind of the halter type. It does have kind of a laser cut at the waist. It is maxi length and it is lined to about the knee. And then it has, I thought it had slits. I guess not. No slits, okay? So full length, just maxi dress. The brand is Gilly Clothing. Never heard of it. Size large. So yeah, I'm going to try it on, but it does have a sash. I just don't think that I would wear this enough to purchase it. So if I were going on vacation, yes, but, and it retails for $52. So I'm thinking this will probably be my least favorite, even though it's beautiful. I just don't think I'll get a lot of wear out of it. So anyway, that is the end. So now I'm going to do a try on for you and kind of tell you what I think about each item. Okay, so first is the jeans. So I really like them. I did get in them. They are not too tight. I do like the high rise. Kind of helps with the tummy control there. Very stretchy, very comfortable. Here's the back. Super, super cute. And of course they're the skinny, so there's the bottom there. So you could cuff them if you wanted to. But yeah, I really like these. I'll probably be keeping them. Okay, so next is this top. This is the one that is a lot like the LuLaRoe, however you say it, top. And I like it. I have a lot of LuLaRoe stuff. So it's very, very similar. I do like the longer length. Very stretchy, breathable. Yeah, I think this is pretty cute. Let me know in the comments, but I'm gonna like everything in this box. Like, I really like this. This is super cute. Okay, so here's the next top. It's definitely long, so it's definitely more of a tunic length, which I like. Like I said, I'm tall and I like to have the extra length, but this is so cute. You could definitely wear leggings with it because look how long it is back here. But yeah, so here's the front. I do like how it's kind of real open right here. And here's the back. Hopefully you can see. This is so cute. I'm loving this stuff, guys. Let me know what you guys are thinking, okay? I think this is cute. I'm gonna have to keep it. Okay, so next is this floral dress. This was the one that I thought, oh, it might be a little too girly for me. I don't know. But I kind of like it. It's extremely comfortable. I don't know if you can see the bottom, how I was saying the sides are like shorter and then it's longer there in the center, which is kind of unique and different. Here's the side. Maybe you can see it better. but I really like it. It's really comfortable. I don't know if it's too girly. I don't know. You guys let me know. This is pretty cute. I'm saying that with everything in here. I'm extremely happy right now. Okay, so last but not least, this is the dress that I was very iffy about because I just don't think I'll be able to wear it. No pockets. Because it's more of a vacation dress for me, and I have a ton of those already. And it's not something I would wear daily. Like, it's a little bit too fancy to wear on the daily, but I like it. It's super nice and comfortable, and it's the perfect length. A lot of maxi dresses are too short on me, so I don't know if you can tell, but it's like right at my foot. So super cute though. I do like the sash here, how it kind of hangs low, and I do love this. This is cute little tassel, but I don't know. It's not really me. So let me know, guys. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments what items you liked that you think I should keep, what items I should send back. Also, let me know what you think about the company. If you're possibly interested in using them, at least trying them, let me know. I think that I can give you a referral code. So, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.